Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Mindaros channel at sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to find and view TikTok affiliate withdrawal history details on TikTok app. Nakapag-withdraw ka na ba sa iyong TikTok affiliate earnings commissions at gusto mo i-view or i-check ang iyong withdrawal history? Kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano yan gawin, then stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-login or i-open mo lang dito ang yung TikTok app. I-click mo lang. Dito lang sa ating TikTok profile homepage and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Studio. At dito lang sa ating TikTok Studio. And then next step, so under lang dito sa monetizations, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Shop for Creators. I-click mo lang dito yung View Details. And dito lang sa TikTok Shop Creator. And kailangan mo ulit mag-scroll down. And under lang dito sa TikTok Shop Toolkit, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung earnings. And madadirect agad tayo dito sa ating TikTok affiliate earnings. So dito mo makikita lahat yung available na balance na pwede nating i-withdraw sa ating commissions. Kung paano ba natin i-check yung ating withdrawal history. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung available balance. And madadirect agad tayo dito sa ating earnings history. So dito naman, pwede mong i-customize yung date dito. I-click mo lang. So sili ka lang dito kung anong date yung gusto mong ma-view. Ayan, so dito naman sa baba, makikita mo dito yung daily revenue, yung withdrawals, and then violations or rewards. Ayan, so since i-check natin dito yung ating withdrawal history, kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung withdrawals. And makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating earning history ng ating withdrawal. So, pwede mo na itong i-view. Ayan, so makikita mo naman dito yung all details. So, pwede mo naman itong i-customize yung date. I-click mo lang. So, sili ka lang dito kung anong date yung gusto mong makita and mag-appear kaagad dito sa baba. Alright, so napakasimple lang mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-check yung ating TikTok affiliate withdrawal history dito lang sa ating TikTok app. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa TikTok app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.